In this guide, we're going over, can you actually play Rocket League on an Xbox One, Xbox Series X, or S using a mouse and keyboard. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to need to do is plug a standard USB mouse as well as a USB keyboard into your Xbox, no matter what Xbox it is, whether it's an Xbox One S, X, whatever it might be. Go ahead and plug that in. And once it's plugged in, you'll notice that the keyboards will light up, the mouse will power on, and the Xbox dashboard will respond to those arrow keys. So the console does recognize the device itself. But when you do launch Rocket League, you're going to want to test those WASD keys, the arrow keys, and the mouse movement, as well as various other keyboard buttons. And you'll notice that none of them actually control the car or navigate the menus. There's no option to actually enable mouse and keyboard input for gameplay, so unfortunately, mouse and keyboard won't directly work. However, there is one thing that you can do. I mean, I guess there is technically two things. You can use the keyboard for text chat. As long as you hit enter, you can type chat messages in game faster than using a controller. And then you could also go ahead and get yourself something like a Zen Matrix, for example. Plug that into your device, and then of course you can go ahead and plug the controller and the mouse and keyboard in there, and then from here you'll be able to use that mouse and keyboard. However, that is not recommended. If you are thinking about switching to mouse and keyboard on Xbox for Rocket League, it's not necessarily supported for gameplay without that Zen Matrix. And if this guide did answer that question, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.